Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Webflow Webhooks in 2026. Now first of all, we need to understand what are webhooks. Webhooks are a powerful way to integrate your applications and services with Webflow, allowing you to receive real-time updates whenever specific events occur on your site. By setting up webhooks, you can automate workflows, trigger external processes, and synchronize data across different platforms without any manual intervention. Basically, webhooks are similar to Zapier and Make.com in a way. There is, for example, let me just open Zapier real quick. So there will be like a trigger action or the event and basically the action event. So there will be two different events. Now, webhooks makes it that you can do it manually. So there is many stuff that you need to learn because that's really integrated within coding and JavaScript. If you don't want something that is related to coding, you need to go with Zapier or Make. It's really free and it gives you all the access to webhooks without coding. But in case you would like to add these webhooks inside of your app, your own app, and you want to add them to it so you can connect it to Webflow, then you would need to follow this code right here. You need to understand it, work with it, see all the variables, and of course learn how they work. So this is a full article by them explaining how you can create a webhook, creating a form, creating a webhook, and many other things that's really gonna help you to manage, get yourself every necessary information so you can code your own webhook within your own application. So this is something that you really need to take your time analyzing. It's all in the Webflow Developers Data API version 2. It is in developer. This is like the link to it, and simply search for webhook request in the search bar, and this page should be available for you so you can learn from it. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.